In this video, I will show you a simple way to create a glitch effect. So if you want to follow along with me, you can download this image. The link is in the description. My name is Gerald, and without wasting any time, let's begin. Let's start by desaturating the image. So click on Image, Adjustments, and then click on Desaturate. Then duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl+J, and then right click and select blending options. Then uncheck the red channel and hit OK. Then hold the Shift key and you nudge it to the right using the right arrow key on the keyboard. Then pick the rectangular marquee tool and just make a selection of this portion. Then click on the Move tool and use the arrow key to nudge it a bit. Then go back to the rectangular marquee tool again and make another selection. Then go back to the Move tool and use the arrow key to nudge this also. Then this time make a smaller selection around here. Then go back to the Move tool and try to nudge it to the left. Then to save time with this, you can use the keyboard shortcuts to move between the two tools that we are using. For example, you can press M on the keyboard to activate the rectangular marquee tool, then make your selection somewhere. Then press V on the keyboard to activate the Move tool, then use your arrow keys to nudge. So M again, then V to move. So repeat this same process until you're happy with the results. Then when you're done, you can press Ctrl+D on the keyboard to deselect. Then create a new layer and then click on Edit, Fill, and choose White, and then click OK. Then right click and convert it to a smart object. Then click on Filter, then select Filter Gallery, and under Sketch, select Halftone Pattern. Then change the pattern type to line, increase the contrast all the way up, and then change the size to around 2 and click OK. Then change the blend mode to overlay. So in case the size of the pattern is too small for you, you can just double click on Filter Gallery and you increase the size. That's the reason why we use the smart object. Then let's reduce the fill to around 50%. Yeah, this is okay. Then we can also make some of these colors pop by increasing the vibrance. So click on the adjustment layers icon and click vibrance. Then you can increase the vibrance, and also you can increase the saturation a bit. Then one last thing we can do is to add the text above this layer. So click on the text tool. You can click here and type the word glitch. And then you go back to your Move tool, then press Ctrl+T to transform, and you can increase the size of the text. Then right click on the text layer and then click on Rasterize. Now make a duplicate of this text by pressing Ctrl+J. Then right click on this layer and select blending options and turn off the red channel. Then click OK. Then hold the Shift key and you nudge it to the left using the arrow key. Then go on the original text layer and you also right click, then go to blending options, then you turn off the green and blue channel, then hit OK. So let's go ahead and merge the text layers. So hold the Ctrl key and you click the upper one, and then right click, then click merge layers. Then you can grab the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection here, then grab the move tool, and then we can nudge this to the left a bit. Then go back to the rectangular marquee tool again and make another selection, maybe here. Press V to activate the move tool and then nudge it also to the right. So that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe if it was helpful. Till next time.